Welcome back to Kawaii Toy Collector, and in today's video, I'll show you guys how to make no glue hand sanitizer slime. So yeah, also guys, the hashtag notification squad from my last week's video is... Remember to please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector in the comments down below. Give us some video ideas. So let's get right into the video. Okay guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you guys another way how to make no glue hand sanitizer slime. So the ingredients you guys to make this slime recipe today is you'll need any type of hand sanitizer. I'm using the Bath & Body brand. And then you guys will also need any type of thick soap. I'm just using hand soap for this recipe. You guys will also need a bowler plate to make your slime in. And last but not least, you guys will need a mixing. So I'm first going to get my bowler plate out. I have this container right here, and I'm going to get adding in my soap. You have to make sure the soap is thick for this recipe, because if it's not, it won't work. And if you have like a runny soap, then it won't work either. So I'm just going to get adding the soap into my container. Alright, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get mixing this up for about a minute or two. Alright, that looks like just enough mixing, and I'm going to get adding the hand sanitizer into here. I'm going to be using this salted coconut one, and it's from Bath & Body Works, by the way. And I'm going to add a little bit over the top. This is going to be like the activator for this. Also, I'm sorry if you hear my bird, she's really excited. And I'm going to get mixing this up into here. Alright, that looks like just enough mixing. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my lid on here. And I'm going to put this into the refrigerator for about 3 to 4 hours. And every 30 minutes, I'm going to take it out and look at it and see how it's doing. So I'll see you guys in about a second. Alright guys, so it's been about 4 hours. And here is the slime. And I did add a little drop of blue food coloring into here. And I added a little bit more soap. And wow, you can see the hand sanitizer beads in there, which was in here. As you can see, the beads are now, like, they're still there, which I thought they would kind of go away. But wow, this made really nice slime. I'm kind of shocked by how pretty the color is. I added the little tiniest drop of blue food coloring into here. It's really nice and stretchy, and it's a bit foggy though just because of all the mixing. But this slime is great. I'm like kind of shocked right now. I don't even know how to react to this. I'm sorry if I'm so quiet. I've never had like a hand sanitizer slime recipe turn out this well. But it's really, really nice. And I love that like the blue beads are like dissolving into there slowly, but it looks really, really nice. And I feel like the more soap I added is how it got really thicker, because in the last clip, if you saw, it was kind of runny. But now it's like really nice. So this recipe turned out great, and it's a 10 out of 10 for me for this no glue slime recipe. Also, before I show more of the slime, here is Spiky. You guys always ask to see her in my videos. This is my birdie, Spiky. She makes so much noise, but she's so sweet. And we call her Spiky because her hair is all up and it's spiky. And she's a girl and she's so cute. But here's my bird that you guys always hear in my videos. Okay, but this recipe is a 10 out of 10. In my opinion, it turned out great. The blue, like, little, like, I don't know if you can tell, those are, like, gel stuff in there is now, like, finally melting down, which is great. But 10 out of 10 for this no glue slime recipe. I'm so happy with how it turned out. I really hope it works for you guys as well. Please use a thick soap if you're making this recipe, because if you don't, it will be very runny and won't work. So I recommend using the Method soap. You can use Suave soap. Any type of soap that's very thick is very good to use. But 10 out of 10 for this no glue slime recipe. I'll give it a thumbs up. But yeah, remember guys to check out all my social medias. They will be linked down below. My TikTok, my Instagram, my Roblox even is all down below. And my slime Etsy shop is stocked everything right now. Everything is 15% off, by the way. But yeah, remember guys, please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector in the comments down below. Give us some video ideas. Bye guys, I love you so much, and peace, and thumbs up for no glue slime recipes. Bye!